Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix product launch strategies with Samsung, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understand the importance of a solid product launch strategy. Research Samsung's past product launches for insights. Identify the target audience for your product. Assess the specific challenges and opportunities in your market. Set clear, measurable goals for the launch. Develop a unique value proposition for your product. Create a timeline to outline key milestones leading up to the launch. Craft an engaging marketing message that resonates with your audience. Choose the right channels to promote your product. Leverage social media platforms to generate buzz and engagement. Develop partnerships with influencers to expand your reach. Test your product with a focus group to gather feedback. Refine your product based on the feedback received. Plan for a pre-launch campaign to build anticipation. Design eye-catching promotional materials, including videos and graphics. Organize a launch event to create excitement around your product. Implement a robust public relations strategy to gain media coverage. Monitor engagement metrics during the launch period. Adjust your strategy in real time based on performance data. Follow up with customers after the launch to gather insights. Analyze the overall success of your launch against your initial goals. Document the lessons learned to improve future product launches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.